Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your time zone in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the activity, the community, we have the chat, the calendar, and in the bottom left corner we have the invite to teams and the search bar in the top side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your time zone in Microsoft Teams. So follow these 7 steps. So first of all, launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. As you can see here, we have your profile picture. And there from the drop-down menu, select the settings. So here you'll have the drop-down menu and click on settings. So I need to click on these 3 dots here, sorry. Then in the settings menu, click language and time zone. So you need to go and find the languages and time zones in your settings. And after that, under the region section, click change time zone. Choose your desired time zone from the list or search for it. Then click select to save your changes. Teams will update your time zone across all official applications. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.